Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Got this lovely little canvas which is really nice to put into a frame, like what you call them, the deep edge frames, box frame or something, and they're really nice to give as a gift. I have this custom colour which was just white with a dash of my Berry Delicious in there, and it actually had some remnants of the ultra metallic prism paint, Golden Honey, believe it or not. But what that's done is give this paint a really beautiful glow, glistening a glow, just gorgeous. So I'm going to use this as my base paint, see how I go. So it's kind of a dusty pink. It's not candy, it's a really nice dusty pink. So using my little offset spatula, and you really just take your time, enjoy the process. What's that saying? It's the journey and not the destination, or that's it. It's the journey and not the destination. Something like that. I'm sure you guys will remind me. So that's covered that in my nice Julie's Dusty Pink. Rightio. So that is glowing nicely. Very nice. So what I'm going to do with this to give it a nice lacy background, hopefully, is I've got some of my Berry Delicious, and it's my, this is the Amsterdam Purple, I think ultraviolet or something like that, and it's just mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I want to put quite a thick line there to do my swipes down it to hopefully get some nice laciness. Ooh, look at that, looky, wow. That is so pretty. The lacing is just beautiful. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's got no silicone in it. So it's so much nicer without the silicone causing you problems when you come to varnish it. There you go. So it's just creating a background for me, which is quite nice. I'll do something with that thicker area up there in a little while. Let's create what I have in mind first. I don't mind missing out. That is so gorgeous. Really need to bring you down to have a look at this laciness. But in the meantime, I am going to put some more of that in each corner. Now I've done this before, this exact same thing in greens, gorgeous greens. So now I'm doing it in lovely berries. So that was my previous one in the greens, and I did a blue swipe and it gave this beautiful laciness, and then I did finger kisses. So, and this is gorgeous, it's really lovely. So I'm going to try it, of course, with some more berry colours, but I want to add this fluoro. I'm going off on a tangent here. Fluoro orange in there. And then I'll add, maybe I'll go, this is my Berry Delicious. This is made out of my global paints, and it is the deep red or cool red with a blob of phthalo blue and a little blob of black if you want it to go even darker. I'm just going to put some white again. This has just got the Floetrol in it with the ultra white, so it will really make some cells. That nearly ended up all over my work. This is the ultraviolet purple of global paints. So keeping in that nice berry, and then I'll go with the cool red, which is a cherry berry cherry berry delicious. And I really want to blow these colours out, so I might some more of that's lacy and more of the white. So let's see how we go with these particular ones. I'm going to give this a whiz over with my heat wand. And now a blow out with my little baby bayless. Rightio, which way do I want to go? Could I? Probably could do with a little bit of defining through here. It is, when I bring you in close, you'll be able to appreciate it a little bit more, I think. But I'm going to add some of my embellishments to this. It is really lacy in here. Really gorgeous. And then I'll give these a softer edge by getting my balloon that has a little bit of water in it. Just gives a bit of weight, that's all. Doing some kind of effects on there that looks like some blossom hanging there. Just takes away from that solidness. I can finish the edge off after. That's just added that bit. Now I will add some cutters. It'll bring up that center to my bloom effect. So kiss and bloom. That one's got so much lovely lace. Add some kisses in and some of the thick, where the paint is quite thick, rather than try and blow it any further, I can add some balloon embellishments, I guess. You can do whatever you choose to do. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Don't listen to the naysayers, people that want to put you down or steal your light. Do it your way. Wow. That is really gorgeous. Oh my word. Look at that. Looky, looky. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up because it is so gorgeous. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Anybody that loves the berries is going to really love this. Look at this. Wow. Those colours made up such stunning effects together. That fluoro orange of Global is just the bomb. Gorgeous, look at that. They look like real gems in there. And this lacing, look at this. So pretty. I mean, you could just have a whole painting of that lacing on top of just plain black or white. That's gorgeous. Looky. Oh, so nice. Look at those lovely gems. Oh, you must try it. This one's very easy, very simple. Beautiful gift to give somebody. So when that's dry, that definitely deserves a coat of maybe resin. Certainly gloss coating will do it justice too. It is a really pretty one and I'm very, very happy with that. So what do you think of that? Is it a yay or a nay? It might not be your colours, you probably might be more into the greens. So I just thought I'd try a little series of these in the different colours. So the greens and the berries, and then maybe I'll try the blues. And even just black and white might be absolutely spectacular, monochrome. Rightio, my lovelies. Thank you so much for joining me again. Please be back tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it does help me out. Thank you so much. Bye for now.